there! How very nice to see you again. So, second weekend and second video of the T4. As you'll be able to tell in some of the clips I'll be putting in after this, we've got both, or my dad has gotten both of the rear arches done. Over here we've just taped on the over fenders to give you an idea of how it's gonna look when it's done. These are just some T4 over fenders from eBay. Like I mentioned the last time, they will be fitting the look that we're going for with these BFG 30-inch tires. So today the main plan is to get, I don't know if it's called the silver, the rust part you can see down here. The plan is to get this part changed. Like I mentioned the last time, I've actually found a very nice sheet metal kit from Poland, which includes every lower part of sheet metal on the entire car. And I will be finishing the removal of the kitchen. Well, that one's out of power. But as you can tell, the kitchen is still in. And like I mentioned the last time, one of the culprits why I couldn't get the kitchen out was my Webasto diesel heater, which you'll be able to see up there in the left corner. So I have to bolt that one out, and we'll have to take it apart because it's giving me an error code to see whether it is fixable or not. And yeah, whatever happens today, I'll probably let you know. Could also just show you another thing. We've got the Buck, the Beetle. Nice things are happening in here as well. This is our 67, it's a 1 year only model, which has had a ton of sheet metal work done. So we've just finished up the sheet metal. Just put it back together loosely just for fun. It also does something nice when you see it a bit together like this, even though it has to be taken apart again. But that is looking very nice. We sandblasted the entire bottom of it, and it's just giving it the primer. If this is something that you'd like to see us do as well, if you'd like to see some vlog videos, please let us know. But for now, let's get back to the main focus, the 93 2.4 diesel T4. victory at last. We finally got the kitchen out. One of the things that were troubling us was the lower part of the generator for the fridge was actually rusted through. We're not going to keep this fridge due to the fact that the gases used in the compressor are no longer used. We'll be changing it to something like an LP cooler, I believe. So we wrecked it out and it is out. That is it for Friday. It is now, I believe it's 7:30 p.m. We did manage to get quite some work done today. We've got, like I mentioned earlier, the kitchen out, which turned out to be a bit of a hassle. We've got both of the rear arches primed and ready. We've got the entire interior stripped. And let me just show you here. Bit of a mess.